Hi guys, today we'll talk about microblading pigments. During my career as PMU and microblading artist, I tested many inks. Pigment quality is very important if you'd like to achieve the outstanding results. The best pigments that I already tried are Hanami pigments. Hanami pigments are divided for microblading and PMU line. PMU pigments have fluid consistency to turn down the needle. Microblading pigments have a consistency of honey to perfectly wrap the blade. I will show you the difference between microblading pigment from different company and microblading pigment from Hanami. As you could see during this experiment, Hanami microblading pigment perfectly wrapped needles. The hairstroke density was very good. The other brand ink didn't stick to the blade surface. The final result wasn't as good as Hanami. What's the difference between Hanami pigments and other brands? Microblading line, this is 6 pigments from light to dark shades. Color selection is very simple and straightforward. Pigments doesn't contain iron oxidates and will not fade for pink tones. Are tested in the skin, contains Novox that makes them biocompatible. Thanks to this ingredient, pigment is not rejected from the skin and we can achieve outstanding results. Where were the pigments made? Pigments were made in Germany. To order Hanami pigments, please visit our website. If you liked the video, please give us thumbs up and subscribe the channel. More videos is coming soon. See you then!